So how you will work, that I will show you. So whatever still you know, HTML, CSS, make one registration form and you have to convert on that one. So what you will do, you will open your Angular project. Can anyone tell me, yesterday I had shown you some HTML file, how we can reach there? So see.
Yes, sir. See.
Okay, yeah, write down the step, please. Everyone, open your Angular project. Okay, had you written? Had you written? Open Angular project. Pavan, you no need to write for you. Next step, open SRC. Write down the step because tomorrow I will not tell any step. Really. Open Angular project. Open SRC. Got it. Next, open this app.
Yep.
Okay. And here you
Here
getting
is
the
coming.
file. What is the file? App
Yep. Dot
component.html.
component.
Write that. App component.html. App.component.html. App.component.css. Two file. We want this two file. Okay. Had you written up to here? Anybody is back? Then tell me. Everybody is up to here. Please speak up fast. Don't waste time in this thing.
Yes, sir.
Everybody written. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to open this two file. App component.html as like we are creating HTML file. Don't go in this file index.html. No need. Okay. This one app.component.html and app.component.css. These two file I want. What you have to do? You have to remove this all whatever you getting here. Let it to be for right now. How to run the project? That day I had told you some step. Anyone tell me what how we was running that day when we had installed this project?
Yes, sir. NG
So right
serve.
okay, one
Right
second.
click in
First
the and
open,
go to.
yeah, open that terminal first. So first
Yeah.
click that folder, which where is the application means root Angular project. Right click, okay, and open integrated terminal. If you want, you can write a step. Right click on Angular project. Click on the open in integrated terminal. Written. Open in integrated terminal. Just write open terminal. That's it. Open integrated terminal. Okay. So now my terminal get open. Okay. Next, what you will write here? Anyone can tell the command?
NG
Write always write in a small letter. Okay. NG. Next,
serve ACRV.
CRV, and you have to press enter. Everyone written the up to this. How to open the folder? How to run this that project? Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Nobody is speaking means so hope everybody had clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now your project, it will take some time during a starting time, but after that it will run. Okay. What we have to do? We have to create one registration form. Wait, I will show you some picture. We going to create one school management application. Okay. I will show you the design. In which way you have to. And you have to think because now you all know that HTML,
Sir,
CSS. Yeah.
sir, explain the process again because Vidya was not present in that time.
Okay. So Vidya came now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see what we
Please
have
ask.
to do.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me close this complete. Yeah. Okay. So what we have to do? Can anyone tell me a step?
Yes, sir. Click on Angular project.
Okay. So first open this Angular project folder. Okay.
After
Next,
that, click on SRC.
SRC. Fine.
Then
Next,
app. Then click on app.
app. Yeah.
After that, app.component dot
Wait.
html and
1 second. Sweta. Next. Which folder we want? Which file we want? Out of this, many files are available here. Which file I told you? Abhishek, Which file?
Sir, open integral terminal.
Okay, integrate terminal, that's fine, no issue. It will be later.
Sir,
But which
it's
file we will use?
app.component.html or
Yeah.
app.component.css.
CSS.
So we will take only two file. One
Yes.
.html file and one is a .css file. These two. Vidya, getting this one or not? So we will
Yes,
use
sir.
this. We will use these two file only. No any other file.
Sir,
All.
sir, one time repeat please, sir. मेरा net
Okay, okay,
I display not your screen.
okay. 1 second. Just see. So first we will open Angular project. Abhishek, tell the step. Or approach.
Sir,
Tell a step.
first we will open Angular and Angular
Angular
project,
project.
and yes, sir.
Next.
Sir, after in Angular project in SRC.
SRC, fine. Open SRC.
Yes, open SRC,
Next.
and then we go to app.
App, fine.
Yes.
Next.
Then after go to app component HTML.
App component.html. Okay. And which one? Another file for CSS?
Or CSS, sir.
App component.css, sir.
So Praful or anyone. So for HTML, we will take this file app component.html file, and for CSS, we will take this file app component.css. Clear, Praful? Others also clear? So
Yes, sir. Clear.
we
Sir.
will use this two file. Now next step, how we will run the project? Can anyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
right
go to
click on the
terminal.
Angular project.
So we will not go in terminal. We will go on the folder. Okay. Then it will automatically
Right click.
open that terminal in that location. So right click here. Next step.
Open in integrated terminal.
Yeah, open in integrated terminal. Okay.
Or
Which
write
command here?
ng serve. ng space serv.
VE. Okay.
Yeah.
So Vidya, this step we have to write here ng space serve. If you want, you can write this command.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, I just installed the that Node.js, but I didn't. After that, you explained there to add another packages, but I didn't do that. Like, so
Okay,
what should
let
I
it to
do?
be.
Mhm.
Okay,
Just
wait. I will help you in installing that project. Otherwise, Shivani will also help you. That's a simple steps are there. Just you will
Yes,
get
sir,
this.
so
after class,
right now I just can do na this like ng server, like I can add this na.
Yeah. But it first you have to create this project actually. This all. And it will take time actually. If you will make the setup, it will take approx 15 to 20 minutes.
Vidya,
Okay, sir.
after class, I will explain you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this step you have to write here. Okay, ng serve. We will do this is a starting time. We will do this for 2 months. Don't worry. Slowly we will get this. Within 1 or 2 days itself, we will learn this thing completely. So we have to write one command ng serve and press enter. But already one ng serve is running in one terminal here. See, that's why I'm not going to hit. If I will press, then it will give error or it will also work. What are you thinking? Whether it will work or not? Let's see. What error or success message, anything is there? This is actually what you're thinking. This is Java project or Angular or HTML. What you're thinking? Is this JavaScript?
Sir, Angular.
This is not JavaScript. This is Angular.
Yes.
Whatever we had installed here, these all are
Okay,
Angular
sir.
project. Okay, so we will practice something from the starting itself in the Angular. So that's why I had told you HTML and CSS file. I not told regarding any other file. We will learn one by one all the file, but now we will start with the HTML and CSS only. Okay, so what you have to do here, I will tell you. Just wait. So see, already what error message you got? Can anyone read this? What warning is there?
Already in use.
Port
4200.
Port 4200 is already in use.
Yeah. So what I had told if you will run ng serve in one terminal, one terminal in the sense this power cell, this side, then it will not means it will not run the same command in other terminal. Means sure somewhere it is running. So let's check. So see here, compiled successful and the command is already running here. Correct or not? That's why it given error. Are you sure you want to use different port? So if you want to use different port, you can go with that. So I not want. Later we will learn how we can change the port. I had told you that you can check, but later we will check. No issue. So how we will open the project? Project get compiled successful. Okay. And see now here be getting something. HTTP localhost. 1 second. Wait. Okay. So here be getting something like a localhost 4200/. How you will open this one? See the complete message.
Sir, press control.
Learn this complete, read the complete message. Angular live deployment server is listening on port number for localhost colon 4200. What is there? Open your browser on HTTP something. What you have to do? Just do control, press the control button and keep mouse over this URL. See the mouse cursor got changed, pointer. Okay, and click. Just click and just wait. What happened? Oh, here something mistake. It's okay. That H is missing, gone inside. So do one thing. I will just copy this line and pass in the Google. That's it. Just wait. I will open here. That. HTTPS colon. Wait 1 second. Let me. If I will serve that project again, then it will take time. Localhost 4200. So this project came. Fine. Now, what I told that how many files to use and to do so. And what you have to do, one thing, never close this terminal. If you will kill this, delete, then this whatever you getting data here, it will get closed. Okay, so don't close this one. Let it to be open. But whatever extra, you can delete this. It's not an issue. Okay, what we have to do now? Who is on unmute? So see. I told you two files, one HTML, one CSS. Okay, so this become our HTML and this become TS. This become our CSS. Fine. So this two file. What I have to do? I have to remove this complete. Yeah, I have to remove this complete file. Whatever is written here. Delete this all and save. Once you will save this file, it will get auto compiled on the bottom. Okay, see this auto compiled and the page will also get loaded. Previously B was running on the server, right click and B was running on live server, but Angular no need to run any server. Angular have already means predefined pre-installed server. Angular have already server and file already running on 4200. Can anyone tell me previously HTML case on which port it was running? We was running on the live server. Which port number was that?
5500.
Something
5500.
Yeah, something like that. That was 5200. Okay, but here see now the port number 4200. Now on this port it is running. Okay, so this is the thing, different type. So what we have to write here? Now we have to design our HTML and CSS page here. Okay, in this one. So what you have to design? I giving you the model. This is the school management design. Okay, where is the open image in new tab? Fine. This we have to design. This complete. Okay, so we have to go one by one. So what everyone have to do? First, you have to distribute how many member you will do and how many member in one team, like that. Got my point? You can do in team wise. You can split that you will be in my team and like that, and you can go like that. So suppose one member will take this navigation bar, this section. One member will take this section complete, means because these all are a small card. You can design, then something design like this. After that, you have to think regarding internal also. Suppose once you completed this one, then suppose you opening the dashboard. When you clicking on dashboard, then how it will open? Then communication, then admission. Means slowly these all will be work. Don't think that within 2 days we have to complete. No, just spend 1 hour per day. That's it. Just in one day, design only half part. No need that this complete UI. Navigation bar itself, no need to completely. Just a small portion. Got my point or not? So this way, just you have to search one, means one image. Otherwise, I will search one somewhat good image of a school management, and then I will share you. Got my point or not?
Sure.
So we have
Yes,
to
sir.
design that with the help of HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Okay. Who is this? Pavan, sir, my screen is stuck and sound is not coming also. Pavan, you can rejoin. You will get. Got my point? What we have to do? So slowly be going to design this website, and up to Angular, we will follow up this one. Then we will do all the functionality, whatever functionalities are there. These all are icon, different. Now you have to use your mind that what section you will means put there, how you will design, that you have to think. Got my point? Anyone having any doubt, tell me. So suppose I want to write this admin dashboard. Where you will write and how we will write, just see. So where we will write in the app component.html, write that. No, yeah, one thing. So what are you thinking? We will start with HTML style. This way. Correct or not? Please speak up. Already
Correct,
we
sir.
reached. I have just 4 minutes. Okay, 8 o'clock I will start my JavaScript. So within 4 minutes I have to complete this thing. So we will write this way. Correct? But
Correct, sir.
see, in
Yes, sir.
Angular case, no need to write this one. Okay. I will tell you what is the reason. Reason is that I showing you
Index.
index.html. In index.html already that is written. Okay. So no need to write that line of code. Now we will just write whatever you want. What I want to write this admin dashboard. How we will write? H1. H1. Press ADMIN admin DASHBOARD dashboard and just save. And after saving, where is the file? Where is the server? Yeah. So just wait. It loading, and once it will load, you will get this. Got my point or not? Anyone having any issue? Tell me. Now, if you yeah. So next, I want that design means CSS. Where you will write? You will write in the external CSS, that is app component.css. So suppose what we had written here, H1. How you will target with the help of a H1 tag or CSS or class or ID, anything. Same thing. There is no any changes. What I can write? Class I can write, correct? Please just speak.
Yes, sir.
ADMIN admin. Okay. This type be by doing in HTML or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Be by doing that. So same thing we will do here. So ID means a dot, correct?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
No,
I taken
IDs are
class
for hash.
Yeah.
Hash.
I taken a class. So class means a dot. Clear? Right here. And after that, what I want a color. Ask that
CSS class.
color. Yeah. Just a CSS class. I not added Bootstrap. Now see what I done. I pass that one. Let's see. And you got the red color. Got this or not? So what I done? So next thing, maybe you thinking that. So where we had linked this external CSS, correct? Is it dot is there that one or not? Because in HTML we was linking that external CSS, but we had not linked this external CSS here. Got this? So where that one?
Yes,
Is
sir.
that in index.html? See, This is just a favicon icon. So don't worry regarding that one. We will explain that thing in the case of Angular. Okay. What you have to do? Just you have to write here CSS and whatever you want, write here HTML. That's it. Anyone having any issue? Tell me. Now, if you want to add Bootstrap, what you will do? Can anyone tell me how we can add Bootstrap now?
Yes, sir. Link. Yes, sir. Link.
Okay.
We
Take
link
first
all
link.
the.
Fine. First link the Bootstrap. Just wait. Let me
Yes.
add this. See why I telling maybe this is looking somewhat is it looking vast or easy? Let me confirm this thing first. Whether it's looking difficult or easy.
Sir, 50-50.
See, I know because this is new. That's why you thinking that complicated type.
Difficult, sir. Yeah, sir.
This is first time, so you thinking that that is like complicated. But slowly you will think that it's become easy because now this is just one day, so you will not familiar that much. Don't worry. Per day I will explain you this thing. This is structure. So I copy the Bootstrap link where I will pass. I will pass in the index.html and pass here as like in HTML case. Got this?
Yes,
Or not?
sir.
As like in HTML, same thing we were doing there. In a head, we was adding the Bootstrap section. I added this Bootstrap section and remove this. I not want now. And in CSS, suppose that here itself, if you want a button, how you will take? You will take this, correct or not?
Class. Yes, sir.
Click me. Okay. And where we will pass the class? Here,
Yeah.
class btn dash.
BTL. Then Z. Sir,
Is there
not
some
suggested. Yeah.
maybe some mistake it is. SUCCESS. I don't know. Maybe some issue happened. Not suggesting. Let's see. We got that btn success.
Yeah.
Got it. So what I done? Just I had added that file in index.html. Okay, this become globally. That is the thing actually. And after that, we have started adding our CSS in CSS file. We added our HTML in HTML file. You not have to worry regarding adding external file. There is no any external file link up, but it is linked. Where that is linked, that I can show you. Open this app component.ts file and see everything is linked here. It is there or not? See this app component.html, then app component.css.
Yes,
All file is here. And this become belonging to which one? App component.html and the file name is app component.ts. Means this all belonging to same family member. Okay. This is completely one package, you can tell. Okay. So this way we can write. So what we have to do? Just start, hit and try something, write that, note down, just run. You will get stuck, not an issue. But slowly, just go through this. And whatever you had done, means registration page and this, that, try to convert now, means I start converting on this type. I will tell you, it will better. We can move on the the project which I shown you. Slowly, we will move in that one. Okay. Now maybe you will think in place of writing here HTML, we will make one separate HTML and then we will paste here. Maybe you will think like that. That will be look easy. Who is thinking like that? Anyone? That we will write this HTML and CSS somewhere, and after completed, we will paste here. Anyone thinking in that way? Maybe you will think that like that because the structure is looking somewhat complicated for you now, but don't worry. Just go through that.
Loading.
Okay.
Loading time is complicated, sir.
Yeah. It's a taking time because it's running all the application, because it's loading all the packages, whatever packages inside node modules. See, node modules itself too much package. Okay, that's why during application creating it taking too much time. Okay, this is Angular project. So this thing we have to do. Let's close the terminal. So how you will close the terminal? Can anyone tell me a step? How we can cancel this? Just delete this one. Or one step I had told. Control, what was that? C for cancel. So Control C. Press just means put your cursor here, and after that press Control C, and after that you will get this URL path. Means the address of the file. Got it? And now if you will now reload your file, just see whether it get a reload means cancelled or not. Reload this now. It will not work because we had closed the terminal. Got my point or not? So this way. Per day, I will go 1 day, 2 days, something on this. Then you will get familiar. Then we will start working on this also. Okay. So from starting itself, we will looking over the Angular project. We will do somewhat a small task. Then you will get the familiar with the structure completely. And we will explain this complete all file. Don't worry regarding that. Anyone having any doubt or confusion, tell me. Anyone having doubt? All doubt? No doubt? I think no doubt. Nobody is speaking. Same
All
thing
doubt.
happening with our meeting also. Manager telling any doubt? Nobody is speaking. Lastly, manager itself expecting. Nobody is speaking. No doubt.
Sir, after asking also there is no help we get, sir. We know.
Yeah,
What is the use of
really.
asking? What is the use of asking? So don't ask. You
Same
all
thing is happening with us.
here is you will help us, but at the office there is a one-time cassette.
Okay, so now we're going to start JavaScript. Can anyone tell me what is the use of JavaScript? See one thing, up to Angular, we have to design this website, this complete application, a school management. Okay, this one, this whatever section you getting here, it is not available, but we have to think what we will keep there and we have to design. Okay, this become your real-time project. How this working?
One black screen is
Even-
coming.
What?
So one black screen is coming in right side.
One second. That is due to that one. Yeah, now it's fine. So we have to design this completely up to Angular. Then you will get the real-time complete experience. Who is messaging? Now also. 1 second. Oh, he shared that image.
So I took the image to do this.
Don't worry. We will get that. It is available in Google. It's not that this application only. Okay, explain me JavaScript. What is JavaScript?
So to add a logical functioning to our website, JavaScript is used to add validations, to add some calculative part.
So see, up to now, we have learned HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. What is the use of these all? Please speak, don't sleep. Time is 8 o'clock.
Creating websites, sir.
It is used for a
Creating
styling
website.
purpose or
Okay, means just like a designing view.
Yeah, sir. Design.
Okay, means with the help of that, we can create somewhat that is looking on the UI. Okay, and that is just like a text. But here, JavaScript, we going to do with the help of JavaScript, we can do multiple tasks in the front end side also and in the back end side also. Back end side and front end side. Now these two terms. Front end means whatever design we had done with the help of HTML and CSS and Bootstrap. CSS and Bootstrap for the styling purpose. Okay, but mostly with the help of HTML only, we going to design. So front end means whatever you getting on your browser, means just like now we had seen that one, that student management. Bit Control H. Where is that one? School management. So see, whatever UI you getting this one, okay. Just imagine this is your front end. Front end means it is visible to pen image. Where is that? So this image, this become your front end. Front end means this will be visible to the user, client, anyone who going to use your application, and he will perform some task. Okay, like suppose you have to do a student admission. What you will do? You will click in this section. If you want teaching a staff, you will click on this section. Means this complete section is visible for the means this complete section known as the front end. Front end means user will look over that he will do some action. But suppose that just imagine when anybody, you, me, anyone clicking on this section, student admission, this one, what will happen? Can anyone tell me anything? Means inside what will happen? Any idea?
Sir, one form inside, sir. Admission
Okay,
form.
correct. Means something will open, some form will open or something will be open. Okay, same type. Suppose that you have to click this one, student daily attendance. Praful, what will happen here? Maybe whatever opinion you getting.
Sir, attendance sheet is here.
Yeah, means it will like attendance sheet. Suppose online test. What is you thinking?
Some question is there.
Some question, some exam portal will get open. Means something is happening. So who is doing that? Some online test it going to open some portal. Some attendance sheet it will open. Some form it will open. Those all things will get open. But when you clicking on form, when you submitting, but clicking on the button, how that happening? Where those all data going? And what is happening with that data? Then something online test. What is going in the back end? Means test paper came. How that test paper came? When you submitting, where that going? How it correcting? These all operation can do with the help of which one? HTML. We can do with the
No,
help
sir.
of
JavaScript.
backend language. Okay, that is known as the
Oh,
backend. Backend in the sense JavaScript, Python, .NET, PHP, Java. These all language known as the backend language. So what about the front end? Who is in the front end?
HTML,
sir,
CSS.
or CSS.
Yeah,
HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
yeah, JavaScript also we can take, but mostly we can ignore JavaScript. Okay, we can consider front end that's coming, but mostly we can tell just simple HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. See, just imagine this all design, whatever you getting on the top now. This you can design or not,
Yes, sir.
because we know Java, HTML, we can design. CSS we can design. We know Bootstrap, we can design. Means with the help of whatever we know, we can design this one. But when you clicking on this section, online test, you have not idea how the question paper will come, how that will get corrected, how it will verified. Okay, those all things will perform with the help of a backend language. So there is the term front end, back end. Now the question came in front end, we doing the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then why we need Angular or a React? What is this one? Any idea? As like CSS was already there, then why Bootstrap came?
Because sir,
Sir,
Bootstrap is using for code reducing.
Yeah, means line of code getting reduced.
Yeah, sir.
Okay,
Easy to learn, sir.
No,
easy to
to
learn.
make our
Okay,
task easy, sir.
yeah, task easy. That's also fine. Means it going
responsive,
to
sir.
simplicity purpose. Correct. So it going to reduce our time, reducing our efforts, and making our task completed within less time duration. Fine. So same thing we can do with the help of a front-end framework. Front-end framework in the sense Angular, React, Vue. Total front-end framework, I think total 3 now. So see, this much language is the front-end framework. Wait 1 second. Total top front-end framework for 2020 for web development. Who is in the first? That will be React. Yeah, first is the React, but React is not the framework. Okay, React is the library. Okay.
So what is React?
Difference? React is library. It is not the front end, means it is not known as front framework, but we are telling that it is framework, but it is not framework. It is library. Okay. Once you will learn here, you will get that. So who is handling this React? React is handled by Facebook. Okay. Facebook is handling, and he had developed this one, React. So next is, with the help of React also, we can do the same thing, whatever we can do with the help of Angular. And with the help of HTML also, we can do the same thing, but it's going to help. Okay. Next is, where is that? Yeah. So next is Angular. So next framework, front-end framework, that is Angular. And who had developed this? Any idea? Anyone?
For what?
Angular. React has React developed by Facebook. React is, Facebook is handling and giving update or whatever. So Google had developed this Angular.
Yes,
when
sir.
he had developed. Okay. So Angular was first released in 2010. First release came in 2010, but what was there in 2010 and same thing came in the 2016. It's both different. We will learn this thing deeply in the Angular case. Okay. But it mostly came in picture in the 16, and within, now you can imagine what is the month, year going on, 2022 means 16 plus 4, 22 means within 6 years. Total Angular now it's going Angular 13, means total 13 version came. In the middle some version is skipped, but means each 6 month updates is coming. What about React? When React had came in market? Anything written? No, React is not written. Okay. Next one more is, that is Vue.js. Okay. Vue.js is also the front-end framework. What this is handled by some local company. Okay. Not like Google and Facebook. So it not get that much popular. As Angular and React came in the popularity, it not came that much popular. But project is going on. If you will search job on Vue also, you will get more and more job. Next, who is the next framework? Next is jQuery. Then next, this is jQuery already been writing from the long back. Then Ember.js, then something is that. These are not that much popular, but more than that, Angular, React, and Vue. These three. So if anybody asking, you can tell that Angular, React, Vue, these three are the front-end framework. Out of that, React is framework or library. React is library, not the framework. Okay, that is not framework.
Sir, what is this
So,
TypeScript, sir?
Yeah, we will discuss that. Don't worry. We will discuss that. That all came. So in front end, what we had learned, three types of framework. So what is the need of framework? Now the question is that what is the need of framework? Because same thing we can do with the help of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Now I shown you how you will convert your project in HTML, app component.html, app component.css. So same thing we are doing now in the HTML and CSS. For the simplicity purpose, be using the framework. Got it? So, but now most popular and most demanding also. So let's do one thing. We are learning JavaScript. Who is that top trending language now? Okay. Which is? Oh my God. One day I asked someone, one person had pinged me. I asked which language you are, you know. Then he telling Hindi and English. I told no man, not this one for coding. He was asking regarding job. And then same thing, when I searched in Google, it giving Hindi, English, Russian. Which is popular programming programming language. So see, most popular is Python, then Java, then JavaScript, then R. Different languages are there. Okay. Let's search
Sir,
about the JavaScript.
what is
Yeah.
R, sir?
R is also one language. Now don't tell R, P, Q, all are language. R is a language actually.
But sir, 2021 survey can JavaScript is a best language.
Yeah. Let's say. Is LARNING learning JS is BENE benefit or not? Let's see. It will show you something. Yeah, go with this one. So see this one. Who is on the top? JavaScript 67.8%. Okay. Programmer scripting and markup language. Next HTML CSS 63.5. Then SQL 54, Python 41, then Java 41, then Shell, PowerShell 36. Where you seen this PowerShell? Had you seen somewhere? Terminal, yeah. That was as like a CMD, PowerShell 36,
Windows
then
10,
C
sir.
Sharp. What is C Sharp? Anyone having idea? C
Yeah,
Sharp.
sir, language,
It is
sir.
a language.
ASP.NET.
Microsoft.
Yeah, .NET. C Sharp. This is the product of Microsoft. So then PHP, C++,
Sir, it is used
TypeScript.
for only Windows system.
Which one?
It is only used for a Windows system or other.
No, all you can do. W3 itself on that .NET. What is the extension of the page of that one? .NET. Any idea?
Yeah, sir, .NET, sir.
No, this one, .asp.
.asp.
This one will be your .NET page. So wherever you will get this extension .asp, it will got this one. Once suppose that when we running our page, we getting .html because we are using HTML page. Okay. So if it will be PHP, means PHP page. Okay. So now move to our topic. So what is the use of JavaScript and why this much popular? Because previously JavaScript was just using in one side in the sense just in the browser was also having the problem. All browser was not supporting. It was not by default. There was many issue. But now every browser had by default enabled the JavaScript. Means now if you creating any website, sure 95% will be JavaScript, 50%, 60%, like that JavaScript will be. So your browser also nowadays it got enabled. If not enabled, from the setting you can enable that JavaScript. Okay. Next. So where we can use JavaScript now? In the case of front end, same thing we can use in the case of backend also. Like Node.js is there. Anyone had listened Node.js?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Node.js is also a programming language where we can write JavaScript. Means if you writing, okay. So we had just now seen 3 front-end framework. Which one was that? React, Angular, Vue. We seen that. In all 3, you have to write JavaScript itself. Got it? One second. So in all 3, we can write JavaScript. Means if you know JavaScript, you can learn all languages. That all 3 front-end framework. Means writing the process just will be 1 second. Give me 1 minute. Hello. Okay, so where we can use JavaScript, mostly we can use for the design, means we can write HTML for just for the content which is available on the web page, but we can't do any more operation over that. Okay, CSS, with the help of CSS we can design that, we can make the proper stylist, layout, structure, correct or not? With the help of CSS we can create layout or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So with the help of CSS, we can make the layout, different style we can pass. But with the help of JavaScript, so see on the top, what is written there? JavaScript is the world most popular programming language. JavaScript is the programming language of the web. Okay, JavaScript is easy to learn. The tutorial which teach you JavaScript is fine. It's problem actually. Okay, so JavaScript is the program to behave for the behavior of the web pages. Next. So actually JavaScript, we will not tell like JavaScript as a JS1, JS2 like that. Okay, JavaScript name, it will be considered like ES1, ES2, ES3 like that way. So when JavaScript had came, JavaScript came in the market 1997 to 1999, means approx 2000. Okay, so first main version of JavaScript that become ES5 that came in 2009. Okay, next version came in 2015, that become ES6, then continue 16, 17, 18, then early edition. Now
Sir,
the
what is
question is,
ES5?
yeah. So the question came, what is ES?
ECMA
Okay.
script.
Yeah, so that is ECMA script. Means if ES means ECMA script, then ES1, ES2, ES3, those are just update. As like Bootstrap. How many version of Bootstrap are there?
5, sir.
5, sir.
5, sir.
Which one was the first?
1, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Bootstrap
5.
Telling who telling one?
3.
3, 4, 5, sir.
0, sir. Bootstrap, sir. Then Bootstrap 1.
3, sir. 4 and 5.
Okay, so Bootstrap is 0. I mean, sorry, no 0. That is from 1 second. 3, 4, and 5. In that different update. But in case of JavaScript, we can tell like ES1, 2, 3, 4, and now ES6 is going in the market. Okay, so what is difference between this all? Suppose that if you using ES1, means your something difference is there, some functionality is not there, some demerits are there. Once it came update, sure he will try to resolve that demerit, whatever demerit functionality, he will add some advanced features. So that is going, and that's why we getting the update in all languages. If you learning JavaScript, suppose that Java, then you getting update there also. Anyone can tell me which version of Java it is going now?
I think
Any
Java,
idea?
yeah, or
15,
JavaScript.
sir.
No, Java.
15, sir.
Yeah, like that. I think Java 13 or 15, like that it's going. Second. Okay. So JavaScript, Java is going. Okay. One question.
Seventeen.
What?
Java latest 17 going on.
Yeah, like that means 17 or 18, like that, but mostly be working with the Java 8. Okay. Next. What is this one? Is Java same as JavaScript? What are you thinking? Both same.
I think no, sir.
Shivani, what are you thinking?
Sir, I have no idea about Java.
Then you written Wipro exam, how?
So Java
Okay.
sir only
Sir,
which
maybe
language
that
answers?
check. I'll help me now.
Okay, Roshan, what are you telling?
Sir, Java is the only backend language or only also front end?
That I asking whether Java and JavaScript both are same or different.
JavaScript also use sir
Both
backend and
different, sir.
but Java is only used in backend.
Java is only using backend, okay. But JavaScript and Java both same or not?
No, both are not same.
These
Not
are some
same.
differences.
Okay. Yeah, both are not same. So don't think that if anybody telling you Java means JavaScript. Okay, not like that. So name is same, looking like that, but both have too much differences. Okay, so common question. Okay, so Java is using in the backend side. Okay, JavaScript you can use in both backend and front end both, and Java also
Sir,
you can use it. Yeah.
I have question. So JavaScript is like a scripting language, and Java, what type of Java language?
I don't know that Java is programming language. All are
Java is
programming language.
programming.
By you left that much scripting, which is scripting and which is was. That's not an issue. Okay, we will got this means after this itself in this one. So now the question came, how do I get JavaScript? Suppose that if we want HTML, okay, so how we will get the JavaScript? How we will get the CSS? How we will get the HTML? Those questions. Next, where can I download JavaScript? And is JavaScript free or we have to pay something? So What are you thinking? How do we get the JavaScript? Any idea? Any idea or not?
Yes, sir, in console.
No, sir, no idea.
Had you taken dinner?
No, sir, today is my fast.
Oh, fasting. That's good. At least a hostel will also think. We have to reduce the chapatis number. So see, what I going to write? I just writing one alert. Hello. Okay. Once you clicked, we got the output. Okay. How we got the output? We had just written only one line of code. Means whatever be written means the browser is understanding that one. Correct or not? Then only, because we had not done anything. If you will write in your browser, then also it will work. If you will open any other browser also, like Firefox, Explorer, different, there also it will work. Means JavaScript is available where? In browser. So we no need to download anything. You not have to get or download JavaScript. Clear? JavaScript is already running in your browser, on your computer, on your tablet, smartphone. Clear? And next, JavaScript is free to use for everyone. Clear? Anyone having any doubt? Hello? Please speak fast. Anyone? No
Sir,
issue.
in VS Code, you installing a JavaScript.
When I installed JavaScript in VS Code, I was
Sir,
installing that was
extensions, sir.
Angular.
Extension, sir, extension.
Extensions, sir. JavaScript
Oh man.
extensions.
Yes, sir, extension.
Then how he will know that whether this HTML or JavaScript? Abhishek, your name is Abhishek, and nearby neighbor also one person is Abhishek. One courier will come. To which Abhishek he will give? Something distinguished between both Abhishek should be there or not?
Class or
You,
ID.
Sir, we use link.
like that. You will use link, whatever, but sure something you will make a difference there. Otherwise, this Abhishek will make payment and other
Sir,
Abhishek will
mobile
take the
number,
courier.
sir. Sir, mobile number.
Yeah, means something you will make the uniqueness. So that's why we had created here file that become extension with that .html, .css. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Next, what we can do with the JavaScript. So with the help of JavaScript, we can change the content of HTML. Whatever is written in the HTML size, we can change that. One of many JavaScript HTML is get element by ID. What means this one? Can anyone tell me from this line of code what you getting? Get element by ID.
Get
Because now
element.
you
Sir,
know
we
HTML.
can. Yeah, sir, we
Yeah.
can write the HTML, write the code in HTML by get element by ID, sir. Target the ID, sir. You can target ID and write what
Shivani,
you
is this
content
correct?
you write inside the HTML.
What you getting from this term? Get element by ID. Shivani, Sweta.
Objects.
Sir, we getting a targeting for
Yes.
element
Yes,
and
sir.
giving in element to ID.
Giving element to ID means something it
Class.
targeting ID.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That is the point. Means I not want much more. Means from this word we getting something it targeting to some ID. Correct? How
Yes,
did targeting? Let it to be. But it targeting. Okay. Okay, let's see. Just one example. Don't worry. What is the code written there? Just we will look over the sample. That's it. Let's see what it's going to do. So see, if I will click button, something will happen. What going to happen? What happened? Had you observed?
Yeah, sir. Content change, sir.
This content is written there. Okay. Click me. Content will get changed. Hello JavaScript came. Okay. How this came? Let it to be. We will learn the code that time. This is one example that what you can do with the help of JavaScript. So what we had done? What we done? Nothing. Oh my God, this much with this energy, you all are studying JavaScript.
No, sir, we
What
have
we-
energy, but not understanding what you do.
See, don't think regarding the code. Just think regarding UI. What you had done. Previously, some content is coming here. Now, JavaScript can change elements. Something is written there, correct? And once you clicking the button, what happened? Something different
Change,
content came.
context change.
I
Yes, sir.
not asking regarding the code. Okay, I asking regarding your UI. Previously, some content on clicking button, some content came. Means with the help of JavaScript, we can change the content. Clear this or not?
Clear, sir.
D-
So
Don't
this is
think
looking like
regarding
an
the
anchor tag type.
yeah means like that whatever. But just think what happened on the UI. That's it. Don't think regarding the code. So first, what we had seen, this all just example I showing you. Okay, we don't know how that change. Just I showing you something happen. What happened that we have to realize. So with the help of JavaScript, we had changed the content. Is that clear? Next, with the help of JavaScript, we can what it going to do? Okay. It doing the same thing. Content changing. Let it to be. JavaScript can change the HTML attribute value. Okay. JavaScript can CSS. Let's say CSS. Yeah. We are seeing just a sample means a small example, and we looking that what it going to do. Means later we will learn the same thing how we can do that one. Okay. Means I want to show you the requirement that this is my requirement and we want to do. So now what is written there? Read the content. Fast. Time become 9 o'clock and we had not still covered something. JavaScript can change the style of an HTML element, correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
click here. What happened? Where is the style? Somewhere I think. Wait. Okay, that font size. Fine. So see the code. Maybe you will get some idea also. When you clicking this button is there. Fine. Anyone having this dot in this button also? Any genius like that?
No, sir. No.
Yes,
Anyone?
sir.
Sweta, you have dot in this button.
You telling Shweta
Really,
genius,
this is
sir.
button or not? Don't tell that. No, this is JavaScript. I don't know this is button or not. So this is button. Okay. Next, we had added here some event. What is event? Let it to be. I don't know now. Just go this line. What is written here?
You're giving style.
Size. For font
Style
size.
dot font size equal to 35
Yes. Font
pixel.
size.
Are you aware with this term or not?
Yes, sir.
That is a
Yes,
style
sir.
and that is CSS font size. So same thing we are doing. So by default, the font size is something, okay? And when you clicking the button, font size get change. Now I want to change color. Can anyone tell me how I can remove this?
Sir, we use
Yes, sir.
style
We use a
dot
color.
color. Style dot color.
Dot and
Color.
color,
Only color, sir.
color and equal to give the value. Give red. Let's save. I don't know it will come or not. Yeah, it
Yeah,
came.
it co-
and go with background color.
So go with bootstrap, sir.
It don't go bootstrap. So now it become background color. Got it? How we had done. What we had added there? We added background color equal to red. Now can you tell me one thing? Why we had taken here single quote? Why not double quote? Shivani?
Because sir,
This is red.
on
Yeah,
click
yeah.
is also in the double quote.
Oh my God, what a genius answer you given.
No, sir. That day you told another class I will tell about that.
What?
No, sir.
She telling extra one step extra she is.
Shweta is genius. है.
Sweta, I asking why I taking here single quote?
Yeah,
I not
sir.
telling this. I will tell later class.
Yeah, sir. Before 2 days, maybe Dharmender told that question, sir. Dharmender or Abhishek.
See
Yeah,
how she is intelligent. She blaming that on other person. So see why I taken like this. Do one thing. Remove this single quote. Cut that color also. Remove this. Now give it double one and pass the value. Had you got any error?
Yes, sir.
Now just start from here because this is complete one line up to here. Correct or not?
Correct.
Sir,
Sir.
I was also telling same thing, no?
What you telling?
Same.
What same? Explain me. Wait.
Nothing, sir, nothing. Sir,
No,
nothing.
wait. Explain now.
She telling when
Whatever
we first
right in the on click is also in the inverted. That's why I'm
No.
saying take single quote. For the,
One more. I can't get clear.
nothing,
Repeat
sir.
again.
No, sir. No, I'm not.
See why I take it means be taken like that because they are starting from where? This is starting from here to here. Correct or not? On click equal to double quote started from there and whatever is inside that all are inside the double quote. Clear? Means opening is this starting and last is the closing of double quote. Clear up to this or not? Anyone having any doubt up to here in double quote? Next, if you will pass double quote here, suppose that just remove this demo and pass double quote. You have to find out the issue. Now tell me why we get a red error. Can anyone tell me?
sir, because we targeting ID.
No, not that.
Sir.
No need to ID class this thing, nothing, just a simple.
Okay.
Where is the opening? This one?
Button like no.
No. This
On
double
click.
quote opening
Yes, sir.
is from here. Correct?
Document.
And where should be closing? In the last?
After red after.
Yes.
Yeah, after red. But where he getting the closing? Here itself. Got that? Because once you started the double quote, after some time where it getting first double quote, that be he thinking as a closing. Got my point or not?
Yes.
But what are you planning for this one? This is also just like a sample something. So this also you want inside double quote or single quote. Correct? So that's why we had passed this content inside single quote. Got it? Because now previously this starting double quote, it thinking that closing is here itself. Because we had passed here double quote. Means it during that time he thought that starting and closing up to this section only, but he want up to last. But now due to that first means once he started traveling from here, okay, and when he reached here, he got one double quote. So he thought this become my closing, but this is not his closing. His closing will be in the last. This one is his closing. Okay, so that's why once in the middle, if you have to pass single quote or double quote, if you want to like that, don't take the same type, take other. Suppose that, so do one thing. Wait. So what we will take, already be taken from the parent, be taken double quote. So in the parent class, closing will be also double quote. So don't pass in the middle the same double quote, pass a single quote. Pass single quote wherever required, double quote or single quote, pass single quote. But I not want this single quote, I want the double quote itself. Suppose that by mistake I taken like that. I taken like this. Okay, why this yellow?
Because you write outside of HTML, sir, or body.
Yeah, yes. I'm not thinking that will be. Maybe, yeah. But now what I want, I not want this one to be double quote. So what I told, I will take single quote. Fine.
Single.
So this become parent. So parent closing will be single or double? Last one.
Single. Single.
Double quote.
Single. Because we have started from the single.
Okay,
Correct?
okay, okay.
So single will be in the last. So do one thing. Wait. What you thinking in the middle? Whatever, wherever you required single or double.
Double quote, sir.
Double, sir.
So it should be double. Now
double.
remove this single quote, because otherwise the first double parent single quote starting, he thinking there itself that closing. Okay, but this is not my closing. Okay, so now pass different type, that become double. Then again the problem of this location, because now this single is for read purpose. But what is that thinking parent, this parent quote single quote, he thinking my closing is here only. So don't take. Here what we will do? We will pass the double quote. And here also we will pass the double quote. Oh, sorry. Yeah, double quote. Now see, error gone. Clear or not? So wherever, if you taken in the parent single quote, inside if you want means single or double anything, pass the alternate option. Got it? Don't take same type. Clear or not? Because this will give you too much confusion.
Okay, sir. Sir, first we using a double quote, and for parent, and second we will use go to child with using a single quote.
See, what is the one thing? There is no restriction. Outside we will take single or double. No restriction. You can take anything. Fine. But whatever you taking outside, inside you will take alternate. You will not take same type. Got my point or not?
Yes, sir.
See,
Clear, sir,
in the
clear.
line, in the first line, what is the parent? Parent having double quote. So inside what we had taken single quote wherever required. Okay. Here in the parent we had taken single quote. So inside what we had taken double quote. We will not take inside also single quote. Otherwise it will get confused in the in ending tag. Ending you can tell. Opening is here and it will get confusing in the closing. That closing is here or closing in the last. Clear or not? So for making this differences, we will use like this way. Everyone clear?
Yes.
Okay. So, okay. So with the help of CSS, what we had done? We had changed the content. We had changed the color. Okay. Let's see next. Now, with the help of CSS, we can hide the element. Tell me how we can hide with the CSS. What property will be there for hiding purpose?
Sir, display none.
Display hidden, sir.
Yeah. So go with display none.
Hidden.
Wait. Okay. Go here itself. See, if you will correlate with others, you will get simply within, you will learn easily. So what I will pass there, this style dot display. Let's see, it came display, and what will pass here? None. Let's see now. Display, save. So see, click me, color got changed. Okay, don't think click and then it will come and go. Not like that. Now display me, it got hidden. Got it or not? See this content. Whatever is written, click. The content gone. That's why it came up. One more property was there, display. What was that? Visibility, I think, na?
Yes, sir,
Visibility
hidden.
hidden. Yeah. So do one thing. Now you can realize one more thing. Whatever we had discussed in that case. VISI, visibility, HI, double DE, N, hidden. See, we are just looking over the sample example, okay? We're not doing any coding. So see, now you have to tell me and why. If be clicking on display me, okay? Wait. Where is that one? Is it looking complicated? Whatever we are practicing now, we are looking over
No, sir.
examples. What about others? Ability. Who is riding bike this time? Amardeep, are you there? TCS guy can do anything.
No, sir. I am on mute.
Oh, I thought you riding bike also. So see, here two property. One is display. Click me for color change. Let's say. So here, three thing I taken. Click me for color change. Color changed. Display property is there. So see, I will ask the difference. You have to tell me. You know that. Okay, in CSS we discussed it. If I will click display, what going to happen? What happened? The content got
Display is
hidden.
hidden.
But
Content
Yes,
got
sir.
hide.
yeah, content was there, it got hidden. When I will click visibility, content got hidden. What about the button? It will be again, means it become in the same position. Now tell me the reason.
So for we using third visibility hidden, he giving some space.
Where?
Sorry, in UI
Okay.
in a
And display?
when we using display, there is no giving a space.
Can anyone tell me clear answer? He is also telling somewhat it's good, but I want somewhat.
On the interface, on clicking on display interface, after clicking on display, the space it is not occupying the space. But on visibility,
Okay.
when you click, it's hiding the content, but it's occupying the space.
Yeah, that is the thing. Means from the DOM, you can correlate this thing with the DOM. Okay.
Yes, sir. So visibility maintaining a space in UI.
Yeah, so whatever area they have we had written, it maintaining that section in the DOM. But when we going with the display property, it removing that complete section from the DOM also. So let's
Yes.
see, where is that? It came there. Okay, click on display. So see, now we done display none. Means this display inspect, where is that inspect? My God. Okay. So see, here we taken one paragraph, P demo 1, but now it's not pointing anywhere. But if you be moving cursor, it pointing. But where is P demo 1? It's not there because display none. Now move to visibility. Click this. Visibility gone. But let's check the verify that. See the paragraph. A space is there or not?
Yes, sir.
It is there. Means it maintaining in visibility case, it maintaining the space. But in case of display, It not maintaining the space in the DOM section also. Okay, got that? Means from the UI it gone completely, it removed. Because this is very interesting question of the interview purpose. Okay, so be done three things. Be used the display property, visibility property, different property. And how be used? Just by adding that dot style, dot visibility something, then dot style display, whatever style we had learned, that all thing you can add. Okay, means this become known as the dynamic, because by default you getting all the data. When you clicking, you getting something. Okay, that is the thing. Can anyone tell me how I can add a style for the complete body? If I clicking on any button, suppose this button itself, I want the color for the complete body. Can you tell me?
So giving
How
a
I
style
will?
in a body.
Sir,
Okay, so give, yeah. So giving a style in the body. Okay, let me add one button. See, this is programming language. If you will learn by playing way, no, it will be easy. Otherwise, complicated.
This is not a child play. This is Undertaker play.
Yeah, correct. Otherwise, everybody will tell, I will bring back badminton. Somebody will tell, I will bring volleyball. And we will start playing. But this is a different type of game. So where? Okay, remove this demo. Pass 3 and here pass. Oh, that is ID. Okay. Now see this visibility. Yes. What was that? Yeah. Body color. Okay. Now I want to add the bootstrap also, but oh, I have to add the link actually. Link is not there. Okay, let it to be. So if you want to add bootstrap, as simple as previously we were doing, you can pass and you can pass here the class name, whatever you want. Okay, so there is no any difference in that case. But see here for the body color, click this. The complete body become the colorful. Got it? So this way we can do as whatever we were doing with the CSS, the same thing. If you clicking display, it gone, it gone. Click this, it not visible because the color is already red. That's okay. Next, so with the help of CSS, what we had done, we had manipulated the style. We can hide and show the element. Okay, we can use another thing. So now we had seen these all was just simple examples. Now we will start on the our CSS. Sorry, JavaScript. So where we will write the JavaScript, we will write inside which tag? Inside
Script tag.
script tag. Okay, so as like previously we was writing CSS with which tag? CSS
Style.
CSS.
Style 3 dot. Okay, so we have to link that HTML, then CSS, then JavaScript, like that itself. Means all the scenario, all the sequence, it will be same type. Just make one file, HTML file. Okay, now you have to learn this thing. Previously I was showing you demo. Now we will start on the topic. So now I created just one HTML file, and inside this I going to add one, which one? A JavaScript file. How we will write? Can tell me? A script tag. Okay, so write that a script tag, script, then we can pass here whatever you want. Okay, that our CSS. Okay, let it to be console, not an issue. So what is the this one? What type of a style this become? Sorry, JavaScript become, because in
Scripting
CSS,
language.
no, not a scripting language. I asking. In CSS, there was 3 ways of writing CSS. Correct?
Yes, sir.
CSS 3 ways of writing CSS. What was that?
Sir,
Inline,
Two ways.
external, internal.
inline, internal, external.
Yeah. So that I asking in JavaScript, if I writing like this, so what is this one? Inline, internal, external. What become this?
Sir, internal.
Line.
Inline.
No, sir,
It
internal.
become internal.
Yes, sir.
Internal, sir.
Correct. Now, if I want to write external, how I will write?
We link.
Yes.
CSS file link.
So
Yes.
yeah, now question came, how we will write the file first. Like previously we was making HTML file with the help of HTML extension .html. We was making CSS with the help of CSS extension. So now we will make a JS means JavaScript. Okay, and how we will link up this file to this one? How we will
Sir,
link it?
inside head we take a script src. That script we take src.
Link tag, sir.
With,
Who
yes.
telling link tag? Who telling
Dot
link tag?
tag. No, sir, not link a script.
Somebody
Dot
telling
Human
link
link
tag
tag.
also back.
Darwin is telling.
Sir, because you create a 3.js file, na, that's why I'm saying, sir.
Oh, so see what I will do. We will take a 3.js. Yeah, then JS is this. That is not CSS.
Yeah, sir, mistakenly, sir.
He thought that is CSS. Okay, so what we will take? We will take a script src, and then we will pass as usual. We was passing that CSS. Okay, and this become your external CSS. So one page of writing this type. So and second page of writing JavaScript here in the JS file. So this way we can do that. So now tell me one line of code which we had discussed before 3 days, I think.
Sir,
Which line of code?
console.log
Okay, another.
alert, sir.
Okay, go with alert. Okay, inside alert, we had passed something like this. I not explained much more, just we had seen what it doing actually. Hello world. What is the file? 3. So we got the hello world. Okay. So where we had written, be written here. Same thing we going to write in the external CSS. Let's comment this. See, same thing we was writing, I mean say in the, wait, why you coming? Yeah, so same thing we was writing in the CSS, we was not doing anything, just we was link up our external page. Same thing we done here. Can anyone tell me? I have not idea. Can we write here or not? Is it possibility to write here also a script in line?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
How?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
I have not idea. I forget
Script?
that actually.
No, sir.
No, I'm not thinking that we can write. We can write.
Inside
Anyone?
the body we write, sir.
Yeah, body we can
Yes,
write.
yes.
No, I think not. So, oh my God, that is the problem in that alert. Once you saving the file, it will come. So there are 2 page, one internal and one become external. So no page of writing in line, but can we write this anywhere in the bottom also?
Yeah, sir. We can write, sir.
So let's comment control / save and come here. So we can write anywhere. Okay.
Sir, in bottom like footer.
Sir, you
Anywhere.
take
No
two
need.
alerts.
Yeah, see this one in the top. I not commented. I forget that. That's right. Okay. This came fine. So this way we can add, where we can add the script tag. We can add the script tag in the body anywhere, wherever you want. This become internal and one is external. We can write anywhere. So see here, old JavaScript example may use a type attribute, a script type equal to text / JavaScript. When we was linking this one, a script tag, here we just link src equal to something. Okay, but in the previous case, means old, it was writing like this, type equal to. The same thing it was writing in the Java, that CSS also, type equal to something. I think now also it coming or not, I have not seen. Link or relational is there, style set. Okay, and href. So same type in the JavaScript also it was. Okay, next function.
Sir, what is
event
the
related
best
to
practice in a JavaScript? You in CSS case, you tell external is best practice for.
here also write external itself. Don't write internal.
Okay.
See what is the benefit? This all will be code will be separate. That is the main reason. Okay. If you maintaining all CSS in one file, all JS in one file, and all HTML in one file, then it become the good. That is the thing. So always try to write separate. What is JavaScript function? Let it to be head. Okay. So JavaScript. No need to learn this thing now. Remove this. So JavaScript in head or body, we can write anywhere, whether a head or body. You can place any number of a script in HTML document. A script can be placed in body or head section of HTML or page in both. Means anywhere. And how many time you can? It's not compulsory. Like now, be written only one time. Fine. I want one more time. What are you thinking? Can we write the same line of code here or not? Let's do one thing. I will add one more alert. Okay, and see, this is the just a sample, not sample example. This is one by one be getting the examples. So what alert is going to do? Alert is showing some pop-up which user is getting that. So wherever you want something like a submission or something like that, registration successful, that time you can alert, you can use alert. Can you tell me the same thing you can do with the help of Bootstrap? So what you will take? Why everybody becomes silent? Nobody giving any answer.
What else?
Which model? So we will take a model. Okay. So with the help of model also we can do the same thing. But one thing, had you seen? Wait, see. I had not imagined this thing. We got hello world. That's fine. Next, again hello world. I don't know from where it's coming. Then it came registration success. Means this become third message. So now see from where we getting all these messages. So first message means two messages coming from this section and one message coming from the external. So right here external. So let's verify who is coming first. Okay. And
Sir,
hello
internal
world
is coming first.
internal, internal, and just save. Oh, save. Let's wait. Yeah. Now check who came first. External, internal, and then success one. Okay. Now tell me, which was coming first? Internal and success. Which was first? Internal or success?
Internal.
Internal was first, then success. I
Yes,
want
sir.
success first and internal second. How I can? Sweta, how I can make that? I want a success first, then internal. This hello world internal. This one second.
Sir, change that place, sir. 15, 6.
सर का नेटवर्क गया।
हम लोग भी चले क्या?
जाने का मन है तो जाओ।
इसमें घाटा किसका है? सरकार की
सबका
तुम्हारा
साथ,
है।
सबका विकास। ठीक है, अकेला भाग कर बता दोगे?
Recording is going on. Sir will do Vikas.
Sir, going to eating bhel puri.